Welcome to our channel. If you've decided to permanently delete your TikTok account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your profile is completely removed. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 4. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 5. Tap on Manage Account to access account management options. Step 6. Scroll down to find Delete Account option and tap on it. Step 7. TikTok will explain what happens when you delete your account. Read this information carefully as deletion is permanent. Step 8. Tap Continue to proceed with account deletion. Step 9. You may need to verify your identity by entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter the code and confirm deletion. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days before permanent deletion. If you log in during this period, deletion will be cancelled. After 30 days, all your data will be permanently removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.